Oh yeah, let's go get this over here. We got the insulation for the van. We got a lot of stuff to do today. Hey man, move your car. Drop a dildo. So, welcome to the van. I still need to do a tour on it, but this is the space. Wow, is that a Camaro? This package is the insulation for the van. Well, the first layer. If you look at the walls, they're completely bare metal, and metal is a conductor of thermal energy. So we need to stop that transfer with this sound deadener. It lays flat onto the metal, sticks on there, and it'll prevent the heat transfer. But that's not what we're doing yet in this video. Come with me, cameraman. These are my other two pieces of junk. This is my 82 Mercedes that is not running right now. Water pump blew out. 2004 Toyota Tacoma that's also hasn't been on the road because it has a flat tire. But I need this. I need this to move materials from the store to the van because I don't want to be moving the van everywhere. So I need to resurrect this. I need to resurrect this so that can stay parked. So to do that, we need to do this. We need to fix this tire. So, what a better way to do it than find out if it's gonna start. Are Toyotas really that reliable as they claim them to be? This has been sitting, hasn't been started in all of 2025. It is now February 2nd. Let's see how good they are. No! No! Oh yeah, you know what'll never let me down though? A Ford. A Ford. Ford wouldn't let me down though. Watch this. I've been telling y'all that Fords might be better than Toyotas. Oh my god! Yeah! I've been telling y'all these Ford things. So, what we gotta do now is pump the tires up on this. But first you do have to move your car. I love straight axles, so you don't have to worry about where can I put this. The best tool you need right here at the wall. Nice. Get in the van. Oh, I got unlock the doors. So, before the Toyota can help the Ford has to help the Toyota. As you guys have seen, I made myself a little roomy in here. I was gonna move all this, but I think we're driving with all this stuff in here. Okay. Door doesn't unlatch. Alright. Let's gas. Oh shit, I can't see nothing. I need some water. No, no, it's frozen. Fuck, wait, maybe I can break it. Yeah! Always have water in your camping rig. This stupid lap belt rip my hips off if I get in a fucking accident. Should I give it all the gas? 5. I've got a houseboat down in Buffalo, and a wristwatch that tells me that you're all alone. Oh, the radio doesn't work. Oh wait, I don't know if I fit on there.
I fit. We'll find out.
No. ¿Por qué? Can I get a large iPhone?
Sí, lo voy a arreglar. Sí, ya agarré la información.
To get this thing done so that it doesn't happen. Bought one, and I'm gonna replace the other one too. Gas gauge doesn't work in the van, so I definitely need to go to the gas station. Alright, now get a shot of the other type. Oh, it's a Ford. Alright, I'm gonna back up. This is how you open the hood. You're gonna pull this. There's a little bar in here. The first square, right in the middle, right by the O. Go here. Pull this. There's a little handle down here. Pull it up, and it's gonna lock again, and then you're just gonna pull it again and lift at the same time. There you go. This is an inline 6 one. Battery on the left, answer over here. Looks like we got some room for a dual battery setup. The prop it up. There you go, that's how you open the hood. Now, we're gonna jump the Toyota with the forward. Got the cables, just gotta wait for it to load up. But yeah, I got that tire on. We got 2 new tires, 2 used ones, but they're like a size up, so now this thing's gonna look like a dragster. But yeah, let's try to jump it, resurrect it. Might take off the top. She's dead as f, and I have the most corroded jumper wires. I'm at that point where I need a jumper box. Too many vehicles to be doing this with, but maybe this will be the last time, or maybe the next cut is me going to go get a battery box. She started. The Toyota heard me talk. That's why. But it's back. It's back. The Pizza Planet truck, bro. She's alive. She's alive. Oh, I love this little truck. It has a rusted out frame, but we don't talk about that. All right, cool. Now that it's started, I can go for a ride. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Dude, it's literally always something. Why? Fudge. It's in the ignition. Where's the ignition? Ah! It's running. Alright, well, I'm gonna go buy a Slim Jim because I already lost the last one I used. Alright, I blocked her in. No one should be able to take it. Unless they airlift it. And these Chicago dudes be creative, so I might have to put something over it. I've been too reliable. She has a squeaky belt now, but I don't hear it. Alright, now I'm mad. Tell me why this has been sitting for just as long as the Tacoma. Water pump blew out on it, drove it hot. Toyota, man, come on. Not the Mercedes beating you out. Yo, the Mercedes started. The Mercedes started. What the? What? I might have to get rid of all my Toyotas now. Bro, when I thought it was gonna be, oh, just change 2 tires and jump the battery. Now I dropped the Slim Jim inside the door. It's dark out, it's cold, I'm hungry, and I'm still locked out. Alright, I got it. I literally, like, started this at like 11. Like, just trying to get into this car. It is now 4 o'clock. It's okay, Gabe. It's okay, Gabe. There's resurrecting my $50 Tacoma video. They got me. They got me. Parking in the alley. If you see this post right here, and then you look at the garage, there's a gap. Because this is technically not the alley. This is private property. I am still on private property, and then walk with me over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. This is the alley. Now if I walk like this, see, they're trying to say I'm blocking the alley, right? The truck gets to here, this is the alley, okay. They have to avoid this and the rest of the power poles. I love you. Chicago. $350? What the f? God damn it. I love you. Toyota. So, recap on the Toyota Tacoma. What happened yesterday? We put 2 tires on it, jumped the battery, ran it, and then we got 2 tickets for it. What should have been a $50 job just turned into $500. I don't like these tops because you end up just throwing a bunch of trash in here. It just becomes a garbage bin. So yeah, that's really my only complaint about the top on this Tacoma. I might take it off to start hauling material, but for right now I don't think the material is gonna exceed this. So, and it keeps everything dry, so that's nice. So I'm gonna clean this out. Oh, so you want a van tour, you little bitch. So I want to give you guys before, but technically this is the after I got it. So let me make it how I received this vehicle. No, not the piss bottle. I already have fucking 3 garbage. Moving now. You know what? I'm gonna run for mayor. I'm gonna make parking tickets 50% off. Vote for me, Gabriel. Now we're ready for a van tour. This is a 1982 Ford Econoline camper van, Coachmen. And this is how I got it. So come on in. This is my coffee. This is exactly how I got it. All I did was put up a calendar. I got this calendar from John's Auto Mechanic and Muffler Shop in Hammond, Indiana. So if you guys want to check them out, cool guys. But yeah, this is it. It's a stripped down car. It came with this blanket. I told him I didn't want it, but he still gave it to me. These walls, they tried that great stuff on there. I'm gonna scrape it all off. I just got the insulation, the sound deadening stuff insulation, because it sticks right to the wall. It has adhesive, so it's gonna be completely on the wall. So it's gonna stop the heat transfer from the sheet metal, and that's gonna be the first layer. The next layer, I'm thinking of EPS or XPS, one of those. It's that pink stuff. I'm gonna layer that on top of that insulation. After that, I'm gonna do walls and flooring. As you can see, the flooring underneath this pad, they've already rhino-lined it. The floors are great on this van. No rust on the floor. There are no rust holes. So there's no body work needs to be done to this thing, which is great. Almost mechanically, this thing almost does not need anything besides a fuel pump and a leaking gas tank right now. But I'm more about using this inside space than traveling in it right now. Basic Ford Econoline. Nothing too fancy in the front. We do have this nice little shelf on top of the driver thing. You could store a bunch of stuff up here. So this van was designed to have a bed up here. So this was a bed platform, and these rails would support the bed, so you would be able to pull a tray out and you'd sleep up there. Well, I already don't want to climb up here to sleep. And the other thing is, this is the only like bad like rust, that these rails, they're not gonna support more weight anymore. Let's see how they are over here. Yeah, they're cooked. They're cooked. So, yeah, that's a van tour, really. I know you guys really wanted this tour, but that's all it is right now. It's a blank canvas. So, honestly, leave in the comments what you guys want me to do with this thing. Any ideas, any input, or just Q&A, and I'll answer them in the next video. The main idea here is that it's a creative space studio. That's my concept. I really want to use it to go on adventures, edit YouTube videos, and not all my YouTube videos are going to be about this van, but it's going to facilitate some things when it comes to filmmaking, which is just a space to be able to chalk up ideas and stuff like that. So that's the van tour. That's the idea of the van. You guys want to know how much I paid for it? You wish. From here to the back is 10 feet. From like the cab of the van to the back is 10 feet. So we have 10 feet of room by 6.5 feet wide. That's how much room we have to work in here, to give you guys a little bit of perspective. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole tour. It's not January, it's February 9th. I need to pay my city sticker for my 4Runner by the 15th. I need to proof of insurance to the state for my Mercedes on the 11th. I don't have the insurance. I need to find out where to put my new tickets from my Tacoma in here. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Hey you! You like candy?